What if earning online was as simple as sharing what you love? Welcome to Affiliate Marketing, reimagined for 2025. You know what affiliate marketing is? How do you start from scratch? Step 1. Pick your niche. Are you obsessed with gadgets, beauty, fitness? There's an affiliate program for nearly everything. Step 2. Join an affiliate program. Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale. Sign up for free. You'll get your own unique links to products. Step 3. Share those links with purpose. No website? No problem. Post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, your group chat. Start small. Now here's where 2025 gets exciting. AI and automation. Create content faster, reach people faster. Respond to leads without burning out. And the best part? You're not chasing people. You're simply recommending stuff you already love. Want a pro tip? Be real. Be helpful. Student, stay-at-home parent, over the 9-to-5 grind. Start small, stay consistent, watch what happens. This isn't just the future of marketing, it's the future of freedom.